This is our M21 Android controller. Now we connect the power adapter to power on the controller. This is the power adapter. Now we can check the lighted power on and it flashing. And this is a PC LCD monitor with HDMI input. Now we connect the LCD monitor and our Android controller M21 through the HDMI output of M21 controller. Now you see the display of LCD controller M21. We can also connect mouse. This is the Bluetooth mouse on the USB port of the M21. Then we can control the M21 controller through the mouse. We can do right mouse click twice in the left side to extract the player, and we can also enter the magic player. This is the interface of our magic player. We can left mouse click twice on the right side twice to enter the advanced setting of the M21. We can change the language from here. This is like we can change language to English. Then we can find the network setting, system control, and advanced options, system mode, and Wi-Fi. We can open the Wi-Fi setting from here. Change language setting, and we can check enter the display from here, and clean program reboot the device. We can also check the device ID, the device name, and the system version means the Android version. The software version means the magic player version, and the firmware version, and the total capacity, and the variable capacity. We can right mouse click twice to turn back. We can check Wi-Fi hotspot setting to open the Wi-Fi of M21. Open the Wi-Fi setting. The SSID of the controller is named M2122B0EE0, and the password mode is fixed. The default password 88. You can click save. Then we can open our mobile phone find the Wi-Fi of M21. And enter the default password 88. Then we open the layout app. Then we can find the device. And then we can add a new screen. We can send the program and then we need to enter the player through this play now. This is the picture we send. We can also change another program. We send another program. It's very easy to operate. Thank you.